Yeah, if there is in fact a thing for the, yeah. Oh, look at that. But yeah, if there is in fact a skill point / achievement for the time, we'll come back to it later, because right now, I'm just not having it. That was kind of rude now, wasn't it? Another rude one. Oh, got train systems coming down, I guess? Well, I tried. That, ooh! I saw that target, but it was too late. Well, we'll try it again. But yeah, we'll worry about that another time. Looks like there was something under the water. Oh, under the water is the racetrack. Now, how the hell did they manage that? And if I jump here? Okay. Well, that happened. I don't know what that did, but it did something. Let's take the middle path. Oh! Aww. Of course, it's not going to be nice enough to keep that hit, is it? Now that was me. I jumped way too early. And I did it again. Is there a way to speed up these boots? Maybe I'm just feeling like I shouldn't even be in this job. All right, got that one. I don't know how many there are, but I will be trying to do it. Oh, see, now that's just rude, because you push the button right after being done exploded and you take the damage. I guess it's just a get good scrub kind of moment. It's been a while since I've had some real challenges that are like, hey, get good at the... Why did I jump so early? Get good at the game. Get good at your timing. Get good at what's happening. Oh, I wasn't paying attention. I was trying to see where that other rail went. Ooh, ooh, up. They put a bomb in the middle of this. I was gonna be so boned. Oh, geez. I pushed the wrong button. All right, I got 2 hits left. Oh, I got lucky is what I got. I got incredibly lucky just then. I'll be honest, it just didn't look like that was on the railing. Ooh. Well, there's that. Oop. Hit! Ah! Ah! Ooh! Hey! Oh, Jesus.
You finally get to meet the help desk girl. I hope she's cute.
What should that matter?
Oh, man.
Come here often?
Actually, I work here, so I come here all the time.
Oh, yeah.
I've been following your progress. Here, shh, take this. It's a map. It will be very helpful.
I'll see you later.
Bye, sweetie.
I think she likes me.
The Gadgetron Map-O-Matic can be used to find secret areas. Just go to your map screen, and all secret areas will be highlighted on the map.
Oh, as green. That's fair. Oh, nope. Yep, nice and green. So where is that secret area that we can see on the map from here? I'm pointing the opposite way of it. Because I got to be able to see it to find it, right? Yeah, something tells me I'm not making that. Oh. Well, that didn't work. I tried jumping to see if there's going to be something that oops in, I guess. I don't know, that place looks kind of familiar, though. It's like halfway through the map. Yeah, that's definitely familiar. Question is, how do I get to the secret area from that, though? Well, I got the gold bolt, and I got the Map-O-Matic. See if we can get this super special thing. Oh, I don't have to do this again, do I? Oh, thank God. No, I don't. I was going to be a little upset by that, actually. These guys aren't back either? Man. Thank you.
No!
Nah. Keep pressing circle to back, and that's not the back button in this game. And then I can be able to rocket my way through this, huh? Oh, that's so much nicer. Uh-oh. Okie dokie. Alright, so we saw the secret area. Question is, how do I get over there? I mean, from here, gliding might be a possibility. Let us... No. Oh, goody, you put me right back here. You know what? No, that wouldn't be it. Nope, can't land on the side. But I was about to say the, oh, lag. Yeah, the lag. From here, if I use the swing shot from here, I wonder how far I can go with it. Not very far, it would seem. Nope, that didn't work. I was gonna try to do the same thing that I did the last time. Nope. Can't stand on that ledge. See, I keep doing the button press that I did before. And instead of doing, yeah, that, which still didn't work, Hmm. It's right here, but I don't see anything that leads to it. It's such a far distance. I wonder. Bye. I definitely was pushing circle that time. I just don't see what I can do. Come on. Doesn't seem to be working, and honestly, I'll come back to it. I know it's there. I'll figure out a way to get to it. But for now, since we have it, I'm thinking we just go ahead and get ourselves back to some of the other planets. That'll show us where all the gold bolts are. So any planet that we don't have gold bolts for, we can start doing like a collectathon for. Because we should have everything we need for everything now. We're still missing the gun. The last gun from the shop. I don't even know if it's the last one or not. And we're still missing the rhino. But we'll find them. For now, we'll take a trip down memory lane. And we'll look at our map in every location now that we actually know how to do so. Alright, so there's a big secret area to our... Oh, I don't care. To our right, it says... Yeah, if we follow this, it says there's a secret area. I wonder if it was underwater. No? Ah. Me? Below me? Interesting. Like right there. Wonder. Let's see. Weapon. Grab the walloper. Might work. Well, there's definitely something behind the wall, so thanks for that. Weapons? Let's use the invisibomb, because I know it's an explosive bomb. Ta-da! There's another gold bolt. Alright, well, I think that was it for this part. Yeah, the rest is on the other side, in what I'd call the main area of the game. Oh, I know where that is. Because we couldn't get through there, because we saw that there was stuff there. But it was all water-based, and we're just like, well, can't do nothing about that. But now, we can beat the current. I mean, I guess it doesn't make a difference. Alright. Swim through here, but honestly, we're here more for the current. Okay. We're gonna get out and go up the current. We don't need to be here if it's gonna be that slow. Whee! Y'all ain't gonna nip me in the butt. Right here. And we'll just a zoom, a zoom, a zoom. It's hard to see above the water. Ta-da! Now where are we at on the map? Yep, secret area. Although there's probably not 2 gold bolts. So there's another gold bolt on this level somewhere that we don't know where is at. But it could be 2 gold bolts back here. I don't know, so we'll find out. Gotta remember to search every crooked nanny. Oh, I'm about to die. Oh well, it's fine. That's not fine. That is unacceptable. I don't know why they choose to do this. There was no reason to put me all the way back here. Well, I haven't gone that direction either, so let's go over this direction. Maybe there is a second gold bolt over here, but this isn't going to be considered a secret area because we walked up above this area before. One way to find out. Well, there doesn't seem to be anything here other than the waterfall. So much for that. It was still worth looking, I think. Alright, now back through the slow-moving water. Matter of fact, that's where we had died off at, is over there near the end. And we're almost there. The love of doom. No, let's just roast the poor guy. Well, that happened. Thank you. Oh, there's nothing here. So I didn't think that amoeboids had hives. It doesn't seem like the right thing for that. You figure amoeboids just kind of grow from other germy things. Alright, and 1, and a 2, and a 3. 1. Oh, and here we go. There's my gold bolt. Alright. Still, oh, come on, why is that the button? Still missing, still missing 1 gold bolt. And this will be the last of the hidden area, right? Yeah. Alright, well. This is Outpost 11, where we can't actually see what we do and don't have in there. And I wonder where that other gold bolt is. Because I thought I had read that there were 3. You can't really see from here. But it's fine, we'll just go ahead and clear out all the secret areas. And if whatever we don't have at the end of it all, we'll look for at a later date. Surprised this place is still under siege after all that. Alright, so from here, we're missing 2 from Outpost 11. But there were quite a few, or quite a bit of green space. I think some of that was that central area that I got the last time I went. So I want to go and look at that. But there's a small area over there towards the sand sharks. Nope. Sorry. This is the wrong way. Let's see. Like right in front of me. Ah. But there's another end to it, so I bet you there's another breakable wall. Right? Here. Look at that. Uh-oh. Alright, so then from here, there's a big extra area that we missed, looks like. And put that in my backpack. And break that up for the free ammo. Ammo prices be getting expensive. Oh, I'm not hurt, that's why. Alright, yeah, it looks like the last bit of it I can get if I go back to where the agent was. Oop. Said it looked like a tower to me. Oh, you know what? It was a tower. I can see it from right here. Yeah, magna boost. Needed magna boost to climb up this. There we go. And then the gold bolt is right inside. Quite a few boxes though, so I'll go ahead and break these up. Damn. Yeah, it didn't have the magnet boost, so we couldn't climb up here. But we have pretty much everything now. Alright, and that completes this entire planet. Except for the fact I don't feel like getting all the green off the map. Kind of interesting how they did that in this. They made a different color for the map. Mind you, when you explore it, it turns yellow. It's usually gray. But turning it green on top of the other, kind of interesting. And there's 2 more gold bolts here. I'm trying to think. I only remember the one that we got, but I don't know where the other one could be. Of course, that's how it is with all these secret areas. They're secret for a reason. Alright. So there's one, and there's one. Okay. Well, it looks like it's about halfway through the level. So we'll run halfway through the level and see what happens. Big Al's Robo Shack. That's gonna put me, I don't know. That feels kind of far away from where I want to be. It might not be. I could just be tripping. But it's not like it's hard to take some of these guys out and make my way there. I at least need to see this secret area. Because from here, it's behind this, so... Uh-huh. What is this, Big Al's Robo Shack? Already? Well, this is Big Al's Robo Shack. Ah, there's the entrance. I can see it there. Now the question is, how do we get there? I might be better off going to the training course, honestly. Because you have to climb up high for the training course. I didn't think the training course was going to be the answer, but it could be. Just go ahead and start climbing. No point in messing with them damn dirty dogs. Well, I can get there. Aw. I don't see a way for that building, so we'll climb up the entirety of this building because it seems to be closer. I wonder if it's the bottom level. You know what? I can see all the crates over there. I bet you it is the bottom level. In which case, we don't need to climb up high. We just need to get a better vantage point. Yep, and I can see it from here. Oh, the lag. I will get a little bit higher because personally, I feel oop, oop, go, 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 go. And we made it. Like I said, I was gonna say it feels safer to me. The only problem with the fact that we found the gold bolt here, not there, is that now I'm unsure as to where the last one are. And when they do that, oh look, they gave me a cute little ride back. When I don't know where it's at, that means it's somewhere that I've already been, or there's something else that I have to do to find it. Uh-oh. Well, that worked out. It put me back here anyways. I'm actually going to leave this episode here. I've been going at it for a minute now. And we'll just come back tomorrow. So, I hope you guys like... Oh, if I could stop doing that, I would greatly appreciate it. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next episode. Bye.